Welcome back. In today's video, we'll guide you step by step on how to post a video on TikTok. Sharing your content on TikTok is a fantastic way to connect with a global audience and express your creativity. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and look at the bottom center of your screen. You'll see a plus icon. Tap it to begin creating your video, which will open the camera interface. Now, select Post at the bottom. Above the red recording button, adjust the video length from 15 seconds up to 10 minutes. If you want to record right away, simply press the big red button to start capturing your content. On the right, you'll find creative tools like filters, speed, enhance, beauty effects, and a timer. Experiment with these before recording. Alternatively, if you have a video saved, tap the small gallery icon in the bottom right corner to upload existing media. Choose one or more videos from your gallery, then tap Next to proceed. At the top, add a sound or music from TikTok's library. More editing options are on the right side. These include adding text, stickers, or visual effects. For advanced editing, tap Edit in the top right corner to trim, split, and rearrange clips. Once done editing, press Next. Here, write a caption, add hashtags, tag friends, and select a location. Review your privacy settings to control who can view your post, with options like Everyone, Friends, Followers, or Only Me. When ready, tap Post in the bottom right corner. You can also save it as a draft if not ready to publish. Wait a few moments for TikTok to upload your video, and that's it. Your TikTok is now live. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials to grow your presence.